Hi friends, this is our EV Prime controller for Okinawa Price Pro. Okinawa Price Pro EV Prime now available with meter, with working video also, with meter working video. Okay, and the key, second gear, first gear, second gear, then third gear. Now I run the brake symbol also working. Now I run. In first gear, now I run 25. In second gear, 40. In third gear 50. It's working perfectly. EV Prime controller with meter combo.